GPD offers two compressor replacements for the 2003 Nissan Maxima 3.5L V6 with key differences in mounting styles. Direct mount compressor, 6512-185 is a Calsonic CW V6 18 style replacement compressor that is mounted directly to the side of the engine. The original mounts and bolts will need to be reused when replacing the compressor. Take note of the original location of each bolt to be replaced as they vary in size. Incorrect replacements could damage the engine and/or compressor function. Ear mount compressor, 6511-696 is a diesel Kiki DKS17D style replacement compressor with an ear mount at the front of the compressor and a direct mount at the very rear of the compressor. The front ear mounts connect to the front of the engine, while the rear direct mounts are bolted to the side of the engine. Unlike 6512-185, this compressor has built-in mounts rather than mounting adapters. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.